Hi, my name is Brian Atch, and I'm going to do my user experience on the Apple iPhone. I found it to be one of the easier of the PDA devices to use compared to other operating systems such as Windows Mobile or the Palm operating system or even the BlackBerry software. Real easy to use, pretty self-explanatory with everything you do. Everything's presented right out there in the open to you. If you need to make a phone call, simply click phone. I found that to be quite useful. Just everything's touchscreen, hit the numbers, click call, you're good to go. If I wanted to check the weather, just click the weather button. Input your city that you want to know. There it is. If I want to play a game, I can scroll over to these other options here. Maybe this racing game right here, and I'm ready to go. I hooked up my email to it. Anything that comes into my email address, whether it's school or work, comes right into the email application. I can respond from there as well. Pretty self-explanatory again, set up like any other email application. If I want to text, again, I just click the text button. Good to go. One of my favorite features when I was using it, especially compared to a lot of the other cell phones and portable browsers, I found Safari to be one of the best. I've used the Internet Explorer, Opera, even Skyfire. I found this to be one of the easier to use, and it renders most pages pretty well. And if we want to put in something like CNN.com, and it'll load it up, and as you can see, loads up the page just how it would look on a regular desktop or laptop computer. Another one of the things I really liked about the iPhone operating system was this ability to easily adjust settings. All you gotta do is just click settings. Everything's laid out there right in the open for you. One of the operating systems that I would compare this to is Windows Mobile. I'm going to take a look at that real quick. This is from the Windows Mobile website, sort of their help and how-to. Just going to show you real quick how it's not quite as easy to use as the iPhone software. They have a main today screen right here. They have both touchscreen and non-touchscreen phones. But something, as I showed you before, if I just wanted to get to the weather or a game, let's say, on here, Windows Mobile, you can accomplish a lot of the same things, and the Windows Mobile software has a lot of applications written for it, so it is a good system as well. However, it requires more steps, and its learning curve is a little higher. For instance, if I want to go into the programs, and for the example here they give is Windows Live, I would have to click on the star button in the top, go to Programs, then go to Windows Live. Same thing as if I wanted to do it on the non-touchscreen version. I have to click Start. Perhaps there's a couple pages I have to click more. Again, it's just something that while you're eventually going to accomplish what we want to do, it takes a little bit more of a it's a little bit more of a challenge, and that's why my user experience with the Apple iPhone was a better one overall. Thank you.